the code editor supports intelligent autocompletes. We can hover over these function names to see their documentations, or we could type in, let's import some material properties. We press Control Space to immediately get the autocomplete model. You can select aluminum, press Control Space again, and see the heat capacity property from there. If we take a function, say the write function, and inside the function parentheses, press Control Space, we get the parameter autocomplete list. There's a collection of Python snippets. Let's say try except is something that you use more often. You can easily fill in those. And for example, there's a transient snippet where you can fill in the name of the formulation, get your duration of the time of the transient simulation, press tab again, fill in the time step, and then we are at the final stage where you can write your files or whatever you do in each time step.